Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Val and welcome to the new update on XLM. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that recently the price on XLM has formed another down channel on a 4-hour time frame chart, and there is a probability that soon we may break it out. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you, and I was showing you this channel once again. Now let's move to the live chart, and this is the 4-hour time frame chart. And finally, you can see that we have broken out the resistance of this channel. After the breakout, we had an imminent pump, but the price and so far could not hit this long-term resistance, very strong resistance on. That starts from 45 cents and goes to 51 cents. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, and you can see that for the past several days or weeks, the price and is struggling to break out this resistance and also getting rejected by this uptrend line resistance as well. Previously, by the way, this resistance line was working as a support line for several days here. Now it is flipped into resistance. And now, after this pump, you can see that the price line has also broken out this EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21 resistance as well. And now it is retesting the previous resistance of EMA 21 as a support. And in case of another successful retest, we may see that the price line may hit this resistance line very soon. By the way, we are also having a very nice support of Ichimoku bullish cloud as well. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this support, and we will also take a look at this recent breakout on this down channel. This is the smaller down channel that we have recently broken out on a 4-hour time frame chart, and we have already broken out this down channel on the daily time frame chart as well, another down channel. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And by the way, I have been showing you this wedge for the past 2 years, and I've been telling you that once XLM will be able to break it down, then we can expect a very massive rally. And you can see that after the breakout, it has rallied very well. And we will also take a look at my quite long-term trade signal for XLM that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members. That was a very huge and long-term trade signal because this move was formed on a monthly time frame chart. And so far, this signal has produced more than 400% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of January 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this trade setup for cow, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared a few days ago on 19th of January 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and below this level was the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price zone started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and read the sell target zone here. Now let's move to the long-term trade signal for XLM that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members, and that was a very big bullish garlic pattern that XLM formed on a monthly time frame chart with US dollar pair. Therefore, this was a quite long-term trade setup. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line has pumped very well from this buying zone and rallied to the sell target line here. And so far, it has produced more than 400% pump. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of XLM. And first of all, I'm going to show you the daily time frame, 4-hour time frame chart first of all. And here you can see that for the past several hours or days, it was moving inside this down channel. And I've been telling you in my previous videos that this is the bullish bias pattern. Therefore, there are more chances for the breakout rather than breaking down. Here we had a fake out, by the way, a few hours ago, but the price then re-entered the channel and broke out the resistance of the channel. Now we have also broken out this long-term resistance of 40 cents as well. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that even recently, this 40 cents has been working as support here, resistance here, and support here. And now, again, it can work as a strong support for the price line of XLM. And now we need to break out this resistance line. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel. That is also the top of this resistance line, approximately at 51 cents. Now, if you take a look at the target for the breakout from this down channel that is happening here on the daily time frame chart, that target will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 63 cents. And now let's move to the weekly time frame chart. And we can see that we are very close to hit the target for the breakout from a big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And the target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between 80 cents to $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.